Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Meet as you see or Google Meet. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. You will click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Google Meet and you can update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.